how's it going? Welcome back to Al's Drum School. In this video lesson, I'm going to be showing you just a little sneaky lick. It's not too massive, it's not too complicated, it's short little, it's 2 beats worth, or if you're in 2/4, it's 1 bar, it's 2 beats worth in 4/4, based on a 16th note triplet. This fill has a left hand lead, and there's 2 different ways I'm going to show you of playing it, 2 different stickings anyway. The voicings, or how you place it on the kit, is up to you, as always. You get as creative as you like with it. So, the sticking first of all. Left, right, kick, kick, right, left, right, right. It's 2 groups of 6. I'm going to play a little groove in front of this, just running it round in a 4-bar phrase first of all, so you can start to hear how it works in context with a beat. Here we go. So you may have noticed something funky happening there. When I went to my hi-hat on the first one, I played the first note back into the groove with my left hand. Now that's because we're starting this with a left hand lead. So you can keep it like that. By all means, go for a left hand crash when you come out of that. That would look like this. Or, to finish the sticking, for the second time round, you can end with a left hand stroke. So, left, right, kick, kick, right, left, left. I'm going to play that variation with the ending with a left hand, so you're going to be able to crash with the right hand when you go back into your beat. Here we go. There you have it. In the PDF, there's a few different variations there. It's just the stickings changing and some of the voicings. Again, those are just a few examples for you to take and have a little go with. Take it into your practice room, make it yours as always. I should get a little slogan that says, make it your own. I always want you to make it your own. That's kind of the goal with it. Feel free to learn the ones I'm doing, of course, as well as a starting point, and then you can start to get a little bit more creative with it as you move through. I hope you enjoyed this little lick. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. In the meantime, happy practicing. Peace.